Okay, the 2019 Ford Edge. I was done with the airbag module replacement programming and all that. I took it for a test drive, and when I drove the car, it felt sputter, 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 miss, miss, miss. I was like, So we're not out of the woods yet, so there's a problem with this vehicle. And I ended up calling the customer back. I told them, hey, your airbag problem is all fixed up, so all the lights are off, but I took it for a test drive, but I don't like the way the car drives, so it's got a miss, hesitation. He goes like, yes, yes, Jason. So this has been a problem for a while, and he's been to 3 different places, and they looked it up, and when they hooked up the scanner, there's no codes at all, no engine and no transmission codes, and they said everything looked fine, but obviously it's not, so it's acting up. So they go to the next place, same answer, the next place, the same answer, and if I'm not mistaken, they ended up doing a tune-up and a couple of things. I didn't ask them the details, and at the end, the car's not fixed. Looking at it, and I drove the car multiple times, and it's acting up each time. And this is what I did. When I looked up the misfire data on the scanner, you see 0, no misfire at all. And I ended up hooking up my scope to the ignition. So this is the amperage readings from the coils, and I sync it to number 2 cylinder. So each time you see this one is the number 2 is firing. And when I scroll it down, so and it's misfiring, it's acting up right now, but when I scroll it down, I see basically nothing, no difference, no change, nothing. It's not acting up at all. So this car, basically, it's not misfiring. And I ended up going to you know what, let's see.
Hello, how you doing?
And I decided to take a look at the transmission data, and this is the recorded the transmission data and the torque converter slip and actual and desired. And you see these glitches? This is the glitch when the car acts up. So there's another one right here. So what I found after looking at all the other things, because you got to check the injectors, make sure the engine is not misfiring, because it's really feels like a misfire, but it's not. So what it turned out to be is a torque converter clutch is the slipping, and this vehicle has a transmission issue. So that's not an easy one, so that's why I can't blame the guys that couldn't catch this, because it's not so easy to catch a problem like that. But we got another one, so I'll see you in the next one.